Very good, thank you very much. Hello everyone at Luke Rides. Luke Rides is back.
I'm back.
And this one is a different motor vlog because Luke Rides is back at the command center, back at base. Back at his Commandy HQ. Bloody bollocks. Don't bollocks, you saw the music, god damn it. Wow. Hello everyone at Luke Rides. This is quite an interesting video because we're actually going to be doing a bit of an unboxing video for a bit of motorcycle part that is specific to the R9T. R9T is BMW's retro. It is, well, they say retro, what they should say is hark back to the past. And there's Luke Rides, amazing Masajan Konchan. It's amazing Green Konchan, it's baby Konchan, Suburban Konchan, Pamania Konchan, Masaja Konchan Queen, Konchan Masaja, wife Konchan, Konchan Masaja, baby Konchan Masaja, everything. Here with us here at the Luke Rides. So let's get into it and see what is in this box that we have here. Even Luke Rides Mira D has no idea what's in this box, and neither does Luke Rides, but we're going to find out what it is. So let's get cracking and get unboxing, shall we? Yeah.
It's showtime.
Everybody at Luke Rides. So this is what you meet with the Evo Performance Tail Tidy out of the box. So as you open the box as well, what you then find Mira Konchan. Wow! This is what you first meet when you open the box. The Evo Performance logo embedded into the cardboard. Now if you were to buy, say, an RNG or a cheaper brand, would they go through this sort of effort? So Evo Performance are very kunjaima, very proud of what they've created. They're very happy with what they've created here, and they're very proud of this very, although it's only the tail tidy, they've worked their socks off to create this.
That's amazing.
And it's that extra attention to detail that Luke Rides loves to bits, because Evo Performance didn't have to do that. Imagine the cost of actually printing their logo and in colour onto the cardboard. It takes a lot of effort, time and expense to do that. So big thumbs up there to Evo Performance, absolutely amazing. And then as you open the box, this as what you're greeted with. Suddenly going on YouTube, Evo Performance, here at Luke Rides. So what you're going to do then is you're going to take a pair of scissors, and you're just going to obviously cut the band off in order to get to the inner packaging. Oh, that looks so pretty. It's like you just don't want to undo it. And then this is what you're presented with. So it's like some sort of kind of mesh here, but presumably you take that away. Oh no, the mesh, this meshy cardboard substance goes all the way around. And then you have this soft material here, right across, which is quite interesting. So you get the soft material, and then you pretty much unravel it, a bit like a parcel, a bit like a present. Whoa! And then you meet the inner pieces. Look at that! Oh, isn't that sexy? Oh my god, that's engineering. Oh, alloy ma! Whoa! Wow, it really does feel like aluminium. It really does. And black, which is standard, it's what you'd expect underneath the R90. This will be the rear section, so this is where your indicators are going to go in. Even where the fixings are, if the iPhone could be bothered to focus. Really good quality in there, no corrosion inside the threads.
Oh, behave.
Really nicely presented. So that was inside the inside this packaging here. Inside this packaging, so it's pretty well presented. You have that piece, which you're going to put to one side, but then you also have this, which is also stamped and labelled by Evo Performance. Oh, iPhone, bloody focus. That's quite nice, isn't it? When assuming part numbers, but still, that is pretty beautiful. That is pretty nice, that is. And then also you get another piece here. Like that. So this is the fixings that you're going to use in order to build the tail tidy into your R19 Racer, into your classic BMW superbike. And again, really well presented. And then as you continue, take into account this piece as well. You don't want to get it scratched or damaged. You then just keep unraveling the parcel. Whoa! Okay. Wow, look at that. It's like Batman! 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 Like Batman! Wow, look at that. That is absolutely stunning. That is a work of art, that is. That's so beautiful. Very well, very nicely presented there by Evo Performance. And as you're still undoing the parcel, you're getting more pieces as well. More pieces in the packaging. Again, rear section again. And then you're left with the under tray, which is that piece here. With Evo Performance stamped into the bottom of it. Wow. Look at that. And then you actually have the tray piece here, which is stamped. Look at that, everyone. Evo Performance stamped into the under tray. Wow. That is so beautiful. No marks or scratches on any of the pieces. Really nicely presented.
So beautiful and strong. Strong.
Beautiful, strong like Kate Kim. Look at that. Even Miadi Konchan says strong, beautiful. Simone Ben. That's right, Simone Ben.
Yeah.
So beautiful, more than life. That's outstanding. And that is pretty much what you're left with at that point. So what you're left with is then this. There's no more tail tidy inside the packaging at this point. But really well presented. Very well presented. And then you're just left with the empty box, which is recyclable. And you're ready to start fitting your tail tidy. Yeah! Well, everyone, Luke Rides hopes that you found that actually quite interesting about the Evo Performance Tail Tidy for the R NineT Racer, the classic superbike by BMW. And this tail tidy is very hard to come by because there was a time where you can actually buy the Evo Performance Tail Tidy. You can even buy this because it was completely out of stock. I mean, you just couldn't. So Luke Rides is very lucky that he managed to get hold of this before Evo Performance stopped production and you can't buy them anymore. But it is really nice how Evo Performance have presented the thing. No. How? Oh God, Luke Rides having a bloody mental brain block. Bloody. Yep. That Evo Performance has presented this very nicely, packaged very well, and little things that Evo Performance had literally stamped their name inside the box to make it, instead of just being a box, to make it an experience. And that is kudos to Evo Performance. That's very cool, and it shows that they care and put that extra effort in just to go, do you know what, we're going to put our brand all over our own box, and we're going to really package it all together for this Exotica aluminium lightweight piece for the R NineT race bike, classic superbike. So yeah, big thumbs up, seals of approval by Luke Rides to presentation, and just the way it's been really well packaged, and several layers of packaging to keep that one critical piece so safe, to keep it absolutely mint, and to keep it brand new by the time it arrives to you via delivery. And yeah, big thumbs up to Evo Performance. It's good to see that sort of attitude when there are not many manufacturers that do that. And you look at the tail tidy by Evo Performance and you just go, oh yes,
We are sexy! We are sexy, yeah!
this is something very special. This is fitting for the R NineT race bike, instead of something like a cheaper RNG tail tidy that will not have the longevity powder coating bond to the tail tidy. It will not have the aluminium lightweight construction. I mean, just little things like that make the RNG product just worse, just makes it worse and inferior to the Evo Performance. And yet Evo Performance don't have to stamp their brand all over their part in order to achieve a better part, a better quality and higher performance. And that is what is about, that is class and beauty. That's what is beautiful and class at the end of the day. So Luke Rides hopes you enjoyed this good old moto vlog, bloody unboxing thing here. Luke Rides needs his coffee, you see, so he's got his coffee, and yeah, Luke Rides needs his coffee. You've got a helmet on. I'm sure nothing will go wrong with this. I mean, oh, fucking bollocks. No, give me, ah! Luke Rides can't drink his coffee, baby. Oh. You're like a straw. Yeah! Oh, look forward to catch you in the next one here at the channel. Yeah! Yeah! Look forward to that's a wrap, isn't it?
The way we...
The little rascal has spirit. As was it?
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, kid.